Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add friends in Dragon City. It's very simple and easy process. Watch full video so you don't miss out any important step. So first of all you have to open Dragon City. After the loading completes, you will see this main screen, or you can say the home screen with different options. So you have to tap on the social option in the bottom left hand side. Here you will see the friends section, and in the bottom of friends section you will see the option here we go. Tap on it. Then in the social section you will see this option sign in with Facebook. So you simply have to sign in using your Facebook. So tap on sign in with Facebook. After that select the Facebook application. Here tap on continue to connect your Facebook with Dragon City so you can play Dragon City with your Facebook friends. You can see my Dragon City account connected with Facebook, and after connecting your account here you will see all your Facebook friends that play Dragon City. If your friends are not showing here, you can also refresh this by going back, then again tap on social. Here we go. Then you will see all the Facebook friends that play Dragon City. You can also check from the settings that your account is connected. So tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. In the settings select account, and here you can see my Facebook account is successfully linked. And now I can also play with my Facebook friends. And this is how you can add friends in Dragon City.